I was meditating the other day. I'd come into my home office to put a door between me and my dog's noises. I was home alone at the time. I had my noise canceling headphones in, but nothing playing through them, just to dampen her sounds. I had started relaxing into letting go of my resistance of being with whatever was present in me at the time. And it felt really good. And then I heard a muffled sound outside my office door, and my entire being went into alert. And I was straining to discern the sound, to listen. All of my attention, the whole of my body was focused on a point outside my office door. And after holding that tight position for, I don't know, a minute maybe, I put my hand on my chest and I said out loud, "You are really afraid of the sound of footsteps." You are really afraid of the sound of footsteps. Not the sound of the front door opening or closing, not the sound of somebody coming in, the sound of somebody who was already in. I am 47 years old, and I am still really afraid of the sound of footsteps.